Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can turn off shuffle on your Spotify application. I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Before getting started, make sure that you've updated the Spotify application to the latest version. So then a reminder, if you want to turn off shuffle on your Spotify, you'll not be able to do it unless you have a Spotify premium account. In order to turn off or in order to turn it on your shuffle, you'll not be able to do it unless you have a premium account. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Spotify application, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page and you need to play a song. And once you play the song, right at the bottom you'll have the playback option. So what you need to do is you need to click on it, and as you click on it, the pop-up will expand and you'll be able to see the album in a full screen. So in the left hand side corner, you'll be able to see an intersecting arrow. You need to click on it. In order to turn off, what you'll need to do is just tap on it, and once it turns green, it indicates that the shuffle has been turned off. So that is how you can turn off shuffle on your Spotify application. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.